Going on to more problems. Motion. So let's take a look at these four. Read number 1 and pause. So as we look at this, we have two people, and a picture might be useful here. One is going to go this way, and one is going to go this way, going in opposite directions. Now Beth is traveling at 10 miles per hour, and Jade is traveling at 6 miles per hour. How long will it be before they are 32 miles apart? So this distance here, toward the end of it, is going to be 32 miles. So again, we've made a sketch, and because this is motion, the formula we'll be using throughout this will be distance is equal to rate times time. So do we know the time? And in fact, we don't know the time. But we know the time is the same. So we have here rate, and then if we times it by time, which is going to be the same for both folks here, rate times time, and if we add these two together, this rate times time plus this rate times time, it's going to equal this total distance. So the end formula will be 10t plus 6t equals 32. So there's your distance. There's one part of the rate, and there's and time, the other part of rate and time, which will add up to this. So in a sense, if you want to do this one will be easy. This is 16t equals 32. So t here is going to equal 2. So it will be 2 hours then before they are this far apart. And if we went 10 times 2, that's 20. 6 times 2, that's 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. So this was sort of an easy one. All right, for number 2, read and pause. Now for number 2, notice this is very similar to this first one here. So this rate will be 550. And the other one is going at 600. We know the time is the same. And the distance, we're wondering that when they're going to be apart, would be 5750. So the equation is 600t plus 550t equals 5750. So not too bad. And again, we needed this basic formula as background. We needed the speed of one, the speed of the other. Now the time is the same. And this is the equation. All right, let's look at number 3. Read and pause. Now, in this one, again, they're going in the same direction. One traveling at 12 miles per hour, the other at 7. And there's going to be a distance that they are apart from each other. Here, this is actually not rate, but the amount of distance. Now, in a case like this, we're looking for distance being equal to each other. Distance will equal distance. We're still using rate times time. So here we have 12, and the time is going to be the same still. So this is 12t. Now this is going to be 7t. But in order to make these distances the same, here I have to add the 10 miles. So this is one distance that we'll set up as 12t. Now the other distance to be equal will be this distance, which is rate times time. But then to make the distance the same, I have to add just physically 10 miles. And that is the formula. So rate times time, that's distance. Rate times time is distance, and then this is the physical 10 miles difference between them to have the distances equal one another. Again, if we wanted to do this one, it looks easy. Subtract 7t, so this is 5t equals 10. Divide both sides by 5. T equals 2. So it'll be 2 hours. They will be 10 miles apart. Now number 4, as I look at it, looks like it's very similar or the same pattern. So let's read and pause. So I think the use of a diagram, very helpful. So here this bus is traveling 45 miles per hour. This is traveling 40 miles per hour, so slower. They're traveling the same amount of time, but there will be a time when this faster bus is 30 miles ahead. But again, we're going to use the distance equals distance here. So this distance, 45t, equals 40t. Now this is distance, but less distance. To equate it to this full distance here, we have to add 30 miles there. And once again, these are easily solved. It's going to be 5t. We subtract 40 from both sides, equals 30. T is equal to 6. Okay. So we'll do one more. Again, there are more in this series, but as I scan them myself, I see they're all very similar. So let's do number 5. Read and pause. So once you get the idea, here they're traveling in opposite directions. One is going 60 miles per hour, the other 80. The times are the same. And they wonder how long will it be before they are 420 miles apart. So the formula will be 60t plus 80t equals 420. So it's rate times time, which is distance, plus rate times time, which is distance, equals the total distance. Okay, well, again, we'll take a look at some other kinds here in just a few moments, and hopefully this is helpful to you.